Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.1 question number 7. Find the ratio of the following: A 30 minutes to 1.5 hours, 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter, 55 paise to rupee 1 and 500 milliliter to 2 liters. Let us find the ratio of A. Question number A is 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. A is 30 minutes 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. 5 hours. Now here you see the units are different. Here the unit is minute and here the unit is hour. But to find the ratio you have to convert it into the same unit, right? That means you have to convert hours into minutes. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, 1.5 hours is equal to 1.5 into 60 minutes. Right? Now, if we multiply 1.5 into 60, what you are getting? 1.5 multiplied by 60. By 0, that is 0. 6 5 is 30, 3 carry, here it is 0. 6 6, 7 8 9. Now, if we add all the numbers, 9 0 0, and after one digit point, right? Therefore, and after point there is no value for 0, therefore it comes to 90, right? That is, it comes to 90 minutes. 90 minutes. That means we are finding 30 minutes to 90 minutes. 90 minutes. Now we see both the units are same. Therefore, we can find the ratio. That is, ratio is 30 by 90. Cut the zeros and divide both the numbers by 3. That is 3 1 is 3 and 3 3 is 9. That is equal to 1 by 3. Right? This is solution of question number A. Now question number B. Question number B is 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter. Here also you see the unit is different. It is centimeter and it is meter. Therefore, you have to change the unit in the same unit, right? That means you have to change meter into centimeter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. Therefore, 1.5 meter is equal to 1.5 into 100 centimeter. That comes to 1500. There is one after one digit is point, therefore point, and there is no value for 0 after point, that is 0 will be cut. It is 150 centimeter. That comes to 150 centimeter. Right? Therefore, it is 40 centimeter to 150 centimeter. 50. Now you see both the units are same. It is centimeter, it is also centimeter. Therefore, you can find the ratio now. Therefore, 40 divided by 150. This 0 will be cut, right? 4 by 15. Therefore, ratio is 4 by 15. 4 by 15. Or you can write it as 4 is to 15. Right? This is the question number B. Now we solve question number C and D. Now question number C is, if here you see 55 paise 55 पैसे to rupee 1 to rupee 1. Here you see this is paise and this is rupee. Units are different. You have to change in the same unit. Therefore, we know that 1 rupee, that rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. 100 paise. Therefore, you can write 55 paise to 100 paise. Now you see both the units are same. It is paise, it is also paise. Therefore, you can find the ratio, that is 55 by 100. If we divide both the numbers by 5, that is 5 1 5, 5 1 5, and by 5, 5 to the 10, 0. That it comes to 11 by 20. Therefore, the ratio we can write it as 11 is to 20. Right? Now question number D. Question number D is 500 ml to 2 liters to 2 liters. Here you see this is milliliter and this is liter. That means the units are different. You cannot find the ratio. You have to change the liters into milliliters. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Therefore, 2 liters is equal to 1000 into 2 milliliter. That comes to 2000 milliliter. Right? Therefore, we are getting 500 milliliter to 2000 milliliter. Here you see both the units are same now. Right? Therefore, it is 500 by 2000. Now, if we convert it into lowest term, this 0 will cut and this 0 will also be cut. Right? Now, 5 1 is 5 and 5 4 is 20. That is 1 by 4. And you can write 1 by 4 as 1 is to 4. This is the solution of question number 7 of exercise 12.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.